Find features that differentiate it from other brands for Unisyomyo 50W soundbar for smart TV, model SBUNL02. And why you should buy choose. Because, consists of highlight features as follows. Soundbar for smart TV. The 2.0 soundbar has a configuration of 2 full-range speakers, 45x80mm. This soundbar reproduces a balanced sound, enjoys richer lows, and indulges in crisper highs. Powerful 50-watt audio output, it provides richer details, from soft whispers and gentle croons to deep thunder and resonant roars, transforming flat audio into vivid sound and adding depth to your music. Smart LED display. The LED shows input mode, Bluetooth, OPT and AUX, and volume level, for example, V24. The LED screen dims automatically when not in use. Professionally tuned EQ modes, with music, movie, news mode. Explosions hit harder, dialogue comes through with greater clarity, and subtle audio details emerge that you may have never noticed before. Immersive sound that fills the room, sound flows from all around you, filling the room and expanding the sweet spot so everyone can hear every detail. Hearing every word, say goodbye to muffled dialogue and hello to our soundbar that brings voices to life, putting you right in the middle of every conversation. Easy setup. Our soundbar supports Bluetooth 5.3, ARC, optical, and AUX inputs, ensuring seamless compatibility with a wide range of devices. Setting up is quick and easy. Compact and wall-mountable, with a sleek, compact design, the soundbar fits neatly under smaller TVs or PCs. Optimized for small spaces, such as bedroom, garage, or office, it elevates your movie and music experience. CEC remote control. Control your TV and soundbar simultaneously under ARC connection. You can use the TV remote to control the soundbar power on/off and volume up/down. Bluetooth 5.4, upgraded from Bluetooth 5.3, Bluetooth 5.4 delivers a more stable, responsive connection with faster pairing, stronger interference resistance, and smoother, low-latency audio streaming. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.